Hello everyone, I'm Faye. Today we're going to make a delicious sausage and potato dish. Let's prepare for all the ingredients that we need. 10 beef sausages. I use original flavor without any herbs in them because I'm going to add some of my own flavor later. 4 potatoes. I use the very common yellow skin potatoes. A handful of coriander and some cumin powder. Cut the sausages into small pieces. Peel the potatoes and cut them into small chunks. For coriander, just cut them into pieces as well. Now let's do the cooking. Heat a saucepan on middle to high heat. Once it's heated, add the sausages. Stir from time to time until the sausages turns into brown color. When the sausages are frying, we can use another soup pan to boil the potato. Bring the water into boiling and put into the potato chunks. Boil until they are tender. I usually use a fork to test. If it's soft, then take them out and drain the water. When the sausages are turned into brown color, put the boiled and drained potatoes into the saucepan and stir together with the sausages. Keep frying until the potatoes are turning into a bit brown color. Add a teaspoon of cumin powder and stir with the sausages and potatoes. At last, add the coriander, stir and mix them all well. Switch off the heat and ready for serve. The ingredients and the cooking process for this dish is very simple. You can taste the pure flavor of the beef and cumin and coriander as an extra. Thanks for watching and enjoy! If you found this video to be helpful, make sure you give me thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video!